Hello, entrepreneurs. I'm addressing you as the entrepreneurs. I like and appreciate. Tomorrow my students will be entrepreneurs of different trade, commerce and industries. So that though you are my student, but actually I like to appreciate you as entrepreneurs. And tomorrow as a giant industrialist, large business persons, a magnet. And for that reason, you will also from your side to contribute in the world economy, not only your country. So, a small business, actually a small business is, a small business started 7,000 years before. With the very starting of the transaction. Anyway, just I like to say one thing, that is, I'm in the corridor here today. I am delivering my lecture. The weather is, temperature is cool, and birds are now singing in the green field is there. Also, this is a virtual delivery, because this delivery, I told you earlier, as per the decision of the Ministry of Education and of the National University. Well, from our side, from our institution side, we have started as several months before virtual delivery, and maybe you may think your institution is the pioneer in this point of view. So we are trying our level best to update and modernize the total academic system and device. We could take this class within the classroom, but as the audience is not available, you are staying far away from your academic institution. So that I like to boost up your interest. Yes, though you are far away from your institution, I am showing you your campus, your green campus, the trees, birds are singing here, your departmental room, at the same time our multi-story different buildings with sophisticated and modern evolution, and like the same way, it's an afternoon, this is your department. Anyway, the small business has been started several thousand years before, with the very development of the agriculture, with the very development of rising demand of individual from the consumer's point of view. So, this business very successfully is still now running and going on, and a huge number of people, those who are the businessmen, they are very much interested for their small business, a small type of business. If we do follow the Japanese economy, Chinese economy, Korean economy, all this economy, giant economy, are performed a small business. Still now they are also performing a small business. And this is a very charming, very lucrative, and it brings the immense pleasure, because entire management goes to the individual one. At the same time, profit which is earned, that is completely enjoyed by the owner or owners. So they can take the quickest manner decision, they can perform the decision, they can apply the decision, and if any deviation, any problem, then and there they can go for the solution and rectification. Anyway, in terms of the Small Business Act 1953 USA, there is a definition: a small business, one that is independently owned and operated and is not dominant in its field of operation. This is independently is owned. Independently it can control its business. Independently it finances its business. And the decision it takes independently. Every authority goes to the owner. Then Estonia and Freeman and Gilbert, this says the small business refers to business locally owned and managed, often with very few employees working at a single location. A small business, this is done, the capital investment here is small in size, and it takes not that much wide space, not big building, okay, a limited workforce they are working. So personal skill is here the burning question. Individually, if someone is skilled of manufacturing certain goods or services, if he is having an experience in that line, then he can do and start that business. Some features are there of a small business. Number one, the low capital. Yes, obviously, this sort of business is concerned and connected to a minimum investment. If a small business is treated in our country, Bangladesh now, if the investment is 75 lakhs to 15 crore up to, then that is treated as a small business. This small business can invest in the industrial sector or the service sector or share trading sector, or whatever the sectors are there, that is treated as this. Then independent management, and positively the small business owners, if it's a sole proprietorship form of business, the sole proprietor himself can run this business. If it's a partnership form of business, then the partners will take decision and who will operate the entire business. A few members within the partnership group, they can perform, they can run their business functioning in the quickest manner. Then local-based operations, a small business generally established for doing a certain local business, where locality is their main question. Then a small size business, obviously the shorter business is a small in size, not in bigger in size, bigger in manufacturing for mass production. It's not for mass production. It's for to mitigate the demands of a certain locality, local area also. Nature of business activities. Business activities are here very limited in nature. And observing the taste sense, color sense, and purchasing capacity of a certain locality, this sort of the small businesses are established. Then, a small number of workers, obviously this farming capacity is small. They don't use that much level technology. Their building is limited, their ground is limited. So positively a limited workforce are there needed for to prove the personal skill and efficiency. Basing upon that, a small business is run. Then, use of the local raw materials. Obviously there is a tendency to utilize the maximum level the local raw materials is the important question. Basing upon the local available raw materials, these sort of businesses are formed, manufacturing are formed. Then labor intensive device. Small businesses are basically labor intensive device. They do use labor intensive device. If most sophisticated latest technology is used, then that will cost a huge amount of money, and which is not possible from the side of the small business entrepreneurs. Then market share. Market share is a very important thing for a small business. That is, if so many products are in the market for a certain pipeline-based product were available in the market, and the small business has to face tremendous problem. Even that, under all constraints, they do try to settle their market, to establish their market. Okay. Then lack of modern technology. Yes, I told this. Automation is not that much level here used. It is now some little bit automation, semi-automated machines and equipments are used in the small business management. Their funding capacity is poor. Their market area is limited. Their training facilities and programs are not that much used in nature. Okay. So, modern technology which is expensive and high quality based, that's not possible from the side of the entrepreneurs of the small business. Then, easy control, as the workforce is limited in number, not more than 20, 25, 30, 35, 50. Maximum say for the 50 is employed there in the small business management, in small business purpose or in industry. So, this is limited in nature. This is possible to control, to manage, so easy controlling is possible. The span of supervision is easier here because of the number. Okay. Then, role or importance of a small business. There is a sentence that is the small business are a vital spark in the economy. Yes, it's a vital spark in the economy. So, I just like to mention one thing, that is, during this pandemic situation in Bangladesh, some giant companies, they stopped. But one thing is this, in the rural area, so many small entrepreneurs developed. They are now transacting and doing business in the countryside of the country. because of minimum risk. So a small business is a very important thing. So many giant business people, they went back to their home district and they are doing business. And small shops, restaurants, grocery shops, and transaction of the food, fruits, vegetables, etc. in the rural and urban, suburban market also. Then we have to discuss about the role and importance. Oh, yes. Then the response to change, yes. It's a quite possible from the side of the small business entrepreneurs. The small business firms can, the quickest manner, can respond to the ultimate test, sales, demand, need of the consumers. Then, source of innovation, yes. Personal skill is there a burning question. Generally, those who are the personally skilled of manufacturing a certain day-to-day demandable items or goods, the small business is the best. Because in the most quickest manner, fastest manner, a small business can manufacture a certain type of goods or services, which is not possible from the side of the giant companies. Then employment. Obviously, it's not easy from the side of the government, only from the side of the government to create or to generate employment, because it's a time-consuming, time-oriented. Also, heavy investment is required and necessary from the side of the government. But if a small business is coming forward, then it is possible. A small business can provide thousands, millions of the investors or entrepreneurs throughout the country. Then, employment, then increasing of per capita income. Obviously, as I am doing business, so I am earning. As I am earning, so I can purchase certain types of product, goods or services. So it's a nice thing for adding the per capita income. So development of the China, Japan, South Korea, Taiwan, all these countries, they developed initially, they started with, a small business. Basically manufacturing toys, tops, manufacturing garments, like this way. The small businesses are going on, they practiced earlier and now they are in the very developed situation. Now can you imagine, China is now doing $13 million economy. $13 million. So the matter is quite tough, unbelievable. $13 trillion. While Bangladesh is exporting $39 billion. They are exporting $13 trillion. While Indian economy is 0.2, 0.8 trillion dollar economy. So let's think about the effective use of natural resources. A small business can use right way the natural resources the best way. So for them, there is gas, power, and water resources that are available throughout the country. Then the best way, the entrepreneurs of small business organizations can do their business very smoothly and in the right way. Then use of the local technical know-how. The easiest manner, say for the gas station, say for technicians. At the same time, like this way, some other workers of workforce, they can better work using their technical know-how. Yes, I found some skilled workforce, some skilled technical persons, those who they can manufacture then and there a certain type of spare parts of a certain Japanese or Korean or Chinese machine. And if as they are doing this thing and manufacturing this sort of the parts, spare parts, their factories are smoothly ongoing. Then, base of the large business, if we want to start a giant venture, initially that's not possible because we need to know first time what is business itself, merits and demerits of business. problems of business, business identification and all these things. And basing upon that, you can and we can start a certain venture, certain business, if other things are remaining the same. Okay? And with the practicing of this small business, then this can help to start a giant business in nature. That's possible. Then base of large businesses. Okay. Then proper use of capital. A small business persons, small business magnates, they can properly use their limited capital. Their limited formed capital they can right way and the best way they can utilize, because this capital is formed by themselves. As this is a hard-earned money from their side, so they will be very attentive enough, using the maximum level for constructing or manufacturing a certain goods or services. Anyway, then proper use of capital, I told you earlier, and then decentralization of industry. Yes, decentralization of industry. If the industrial park is not industrial park, then that will be quite problematic from the side of the owners, investors, and industrialists. Yes, to set up a certain industry in a certain location and area. Okay, that is not that much good. Then decentralization of industry. Small businesses can start their venture anywhere, any part of the country. So this may help to decentralize industrial units. Then decentralization, okay, earning foreign currency. Yes, foreign currency, to earn foreign currency, small business enterprises can manufacture very sophisticated, high quality, demandable products. And these products may charm the other foreign buyers, and they will be interested to get purchase certain specific fancy items or goods from Bangladesh or countries like Bangladesh. So once China and Japan did it, their toys were so famous and so very much lucrative that the entire world, the kids are very much interested to get purchase Chinese, toys. That is the thing. Then foreign exchange, this way exporting by developing and increasing export volume, huge foreign exchange can be earned. Then earning foreign currency, okay. Then leadership development. Yes, leadership development is the very prime question. So many mills and factories are there. Regular workers and workforce are working there in those factories. In that case, if someone wants to develop his or her leadership, then positively, this is the best thing to come to the first small business enterprise and then to start this giant or huge venture. Then, protection to unbiased tendency. Sometimes it's a problem, sometimes it's a very positive side, because due to industrialization, small businesses, trade, commerce, or a small business, or even if a small factory mills, so many workers are working there. As they are working there, there is a huge gathering, and the gathering may occur in a certain local area or local area, so that more transaction will happen there. So side by side with because of small business enterprises, so many other mills and factories can be established. Okay, then honorable means of livelihood. Yes, if we want to lead our life smoothly, honestly, at the same time functioning better to earn legal income, in that point, small business enterprises are the best one. So this is very much important from the side of the honest, earning, interested peoples. Then reducing the monopoly effect. Yes, sometimes monopolies to avoid the monopolistic atmosphere, to maintain a regular and normal life leading and normal way of earning salary, wages, and other financial benefits. A small business is the right one, and it should be the right selection. Then training field. Yes, as we are starting a small business, a small venture, then positively that's teaching us so many ways, so many tools, techniques, methodology we can know, we can learn, we can develop at the same time. That's the thing. So Without experience, we can't start. If we want to explore our business, if we want to explore our trade, commerce, and industry, then positively what do we need? We need our past experience, and having experience from such type of the best, that is the small scale business enterprises are the best. Then the training field, yes. As we are dealing with a small business organization, and whatever the nature size of the organization, positively job area is same, job nature is same. At the same time, he has to maintain he has to develop his expertise by on-the-job training. If on-the-job training is smoothly functioning, he can take the right, more advanced decision with his present and past experience. Okay? Though it's a small in size, but actually in practice, so many works, paperworks, so many manufacturing system, so many quality management, so many marketing effort and activities, all these things are concerned and connected to a small business enterprise. So, though we say it's a small in size, but actually in practice, it's all functions, all including functions are not small or smaller. It's also like we're having or taking experience from such type of organizations. We can tomorrow start giant ventures also. Okay? So no more today. We are carrying on our academic program as launched by the Mohammadpur Kendriya College. This is very nicely proceeding, and all our teachers and colleagues are very active enough, and side by side you students also very much active enough, and you are very much interested as per your requirement and as you commented in this correction. So we are also delighted, and from the next day we'll go much more better, and we'll try to prove something otherwise. Okay, just keep yourself within your house, don't go outside. This is a pandemic situation is still now continuing. Thank you very much. Good luck.